Rent to own or payday loan? Well, that is the question. Now I have the answer. Now here's the deal about rent to own. I do not recommend it. Whatever it is that you think you need to rent, you can actually choose patience and you can buy 2 or 3 of those items. You don't need to rent a television. You don't need to rent a new couch for your apartment. If you are patient and you save the money for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month or 2, you can actually buy a whole house full of furniture. As a matter of fact, if you're having financial issues, you don't need to watch TV anyway because those people already made it and you're trying to get there. Now let's talk about payday loans. Now, I've been there, done that. I'm not going to lie to you. Let me tell you, I was desperate. So it happens. But what you don't want to do is use a payday loan as a crutch. Don't let the house fall on the baby. Don't do that. So if you need a payday loan in an emergency, go and get it. But if you don't, once you're done, make sure that you pull your finances together in your payday loan battle.